Hello friends, welcome you all to my channel Agri Academy. Today in this video we will know a bit about agronomy, a little history of agronomy from where it has arrived, who is the father of agronomy, and a bit description of it. And also we will discuss what are scopes which agronomy gives us to increase and empower the field of agriculture. So let's begin. So, firstly, agronomy. The father of agronomy was Peter de Crescenze. He first introduced the term agronomy. Now, from where the word have been derived? The word agronomy has been derived from a Greek word. That is, it is Greek in nature. Now, agros. Agronomy is made up of two words. Agros meaning field and nomos means to culture. Now, what is the definition of agronomy? Basically, agronomy is a branch of agricultural science which deals with higher crop productivity by cultivating under suitable climatic conditions. So, again, another thing is it is also a practice and principle of soil and water management. So now let's discuss about some dimensions of agronomy. Basically, the agronomy has been divided into two dimensions, that is physical dimension and biological dimension. In physical dimension, so what are the physical dimension? Water, soil, nutrient and solar radiation are the physical dimension of agronomy. And biological dimension are those dimensions like which are biologically alive. For example, crops, forest, semi-natural vegetation like bryophytes and all. So the two dimension of agronomy are physical dimension, biological dimension. In biological dimension, water, soil, nutrients and solar radiation, which is needed by the crop for its growth, and the biological dimension are forest, crop and semi-natural vegetations. Now, scope of agronomy. We all know that agronomy is a very vast field. So, let's know about its scope so that we could better utilize it for our sake. First of all, agronomy deals with the advancement of natural vegetation for the growth of the agricultural knowledge and for the better growth of the plants. Use of new technology to detect the upcoming challenges. For example, use of oxanometer. Oxanometer is a device which is used to measure the growth of the plant. So obviously, it's a new technique which could really help the scientists and the farmer too to detect how much what is the rate of the growth, and obviously comparing will obviously give a better yield than before. So it is a good idea to use the new technology. Then agronomy also deals with the application of fertilizer, herbicides, pesticides for the better growth and development of the plant without causing any harm to the environment. Also, the agronomy emphasizes on the identification of proper season for cultivation of wide range of crop. For example, use of same piece of land for crop rotation purpose. For example, in the lowland areas of West Bengal, rice has been cultivated in the Kharif season, and in the Rabi season, maize are cultivated. So obviously the crops are rotated in the same piece of land in the same year, we can say. Okay. Another thing is the most important thing which Indian farmer lack is the cost effective technique. So obviously it also include agronomy also include the use of cost effective technique for the cultivation, and it also focus on high yield with minimum input in it. For example, use of HYV seeds cultivated are the prominent examples, because using of those may be somehow relevant that the prices are high, but in the comparison of mass, obviously the cost of input is low as compared to the output. Another paramount scope of agronomy is to achieve sustainable agriculture techniques. So, what is sustainable agricultural techniques? Sustainable agricultural techniques means to maintain a balance between environment and growth so that we could fulfill the need of our Indian people. We can maintain food security among ourselves, and also we can maintain a good balance environmentally. So all these are the scopes of agronomy. I hope this might be relevant and be worth for you and help you to understand a bit concept about agronomy. So let's see what we have learned from this chapter. Some of the questions are below which would really help you out about what you have known a bit about agronomy. So let's begin. First question is, who is the father of agronomy? Option A, Peter de Crescenze. Option B, Jethro Tull. And option C, M.S. Swaminathan. So obviously the answer is Peter de Crescenze. Okay. Now, next question, the second question. Agronomy. The word agronomy has been derived from option A, Arabic word, option B, Latin word, option C, Greek word. Yes, the answer is option C, a Greek word. Agronomy is derived from a Greek word. Now, third, the word agros means A, garden, B, field, C, culture. The answer would be B, field. Now the fourth question is, biological dimension of agronomy is A, crop, B, soil, C, water. Yes, A, crop, B, soil, C, water. So the biological dimension of agronomy is A, crop. Now fifth question, which among the following is not a scope of agronomy? A, supporting sustainable agriculture, B, following seasonal cropping, C, destroying the environment. The right option is obviously destroying the environment. That is, the scope of agronomy never supports to destroy the environment. Obviously, that is not a scope of agronomy. Then the sixth and last question is, which of the following is not a branch of agriculture? A, horticulture, B, agronomy, C, paleontology, and D, sericulture. Now see, horticulture is studying of fruits and vegetables. Agronomy is all about increasing the skills and properties and increasing including all the new techniques to enhance agriculture. And paleontology is the study of fossil fuels. Okay, and sericulture is a rearing of silkworm, which is also part of agriculture. So basically, the right option would be C, paleontology, which is a study of fossil fuel. I hope you have got a bit idea about agronomy and have known how much to read in agronomy, what we have to understand and implement in the real life field to increase the concept of agriculture. So friends, thank you so much. And if you think this video isn't worth for you, please do like, share and subscribe. Join with us to let agriculture be one of the most prominent field for country's development. Thank you. Jai Hind.